Hello, good morning, everybody. Welcome to my class again, English for Senior High School. Still with me, Coach Ahmad Riwayadi. Seeing the background of this slide, I am very positive that you have already known what we are going to talk about this morning. Yes, we are going to talk about one of the tropical plants, that is cacao. In part 1, you have already learned some new vocabularies related to this topic. They are native, cultivated, extensively, bears, principal, harvest, extraction, piles, sect, and manufacturers. Now it's time for us to discuss paragraph by paragraph, sentence by sentence. Let's start the first paragraph. Cacao, cacao. Cacao, Theobroma cacao, is a tropical evergreen tree in the family Bitneriaceae. Kakao yang punya nama ilmiah Theobroma cacao merupakan tanaman tropis berdaun hijau yang masuk dalam keluarga Bitneriaceae. It is native to Central and South America. Kakao ini asli berasal dari Amerika Tengah dan Selatan and is cultivated extensively for its seed dan dikembangbiakkan secara meluas untuk diambil bijinya. Which is the source of cocoa, chocolate, and cocoa butter, yang merupakan sumber atau bahan bubuk coklat, coklat, dan mentega coklat. Cacao is a wide branch evergreen that grows up to 7.5 meter or 25 feet tall. Kakao merupakan tanaman berdaun hijau yang bercabang lebar, yang tumbuh bisa mencapai ketinggian 7,5 meter atau 25 kaki. And bears seed pods up to 30 cm or 1 foot long and 10 cm or 4 inch thick. Dan menghasilkan buah berbiji yang panjangnya mencapai 30 cm atau 1 kaki dan ketebalannya 10 cm atau 4 inci. With a hard leather shell, dengan memiliki kulit luar yang keras. Pods contain as many as 40 seeds or beans, some up to 2.5 cm or 1 inch wide. Buah ini mengandung sebanyak kurang lebih 40 biji atau butir dan ukurannya bisa mencapai 2,5 cm atau 1 inci lebarnya. Let's continue to the second paragraph. Several species of Theobroma are cultivated in tropical America. Beberapa spesies Theobroma dikembangbiakkan di benua Amerika yang beriklim tropis. Tea cacao, the principal species used for cacao, is grown throughout the wet lowland tropics. Tea cacao, yang merupakan spesies utama yang digunakan untuk bahan coklat, dikembangbiakkan di seantero kawasan tropis basah yang berdataran rendah, especially in Southeast Asia, South America, and West Africa. Khususnya di kawasan Asia Tenggara, Amerika Selatan, dan Afrika Barat, where the trees are planted under the shade of taller trees, di mana pohon-pohonnya ditanam di bawah naungan pohon-pohon yang lebih tinggi. They usually bear fruit 4 years after they have been planted. Pohon-pohon tersebut biasanya menghasilkan buah 4 tahun setelah pohon-pohon tersebut ditanam. Workers harvest cacao beans with knives. Para pekerja memanen biji kakao dengan menggunakan pisau. After extraction from the fruit, setelah diambil dari buahnya, the beans are placed in piles. Biji-bijinya ditaruh secara bertumpuk, covered with banana leaves, dibungkus dengan daun pisang, and allowed to ferment, dan dibiarkan mengalami fermentasi. Afterward, they are dried to prevent molding. Setelah itu, biji-biji tersebut dikeringkan agar tercegah dari jamur. They are then sacked and shipped to chocolate or cocoa manufacturers. Kemudian biji-biji tersebut dikantongi atau ditaruh di dalam kantong dan dikirim ke perusahaan coklat atau perusahaan koko. Cacao beans were once used as money by the people of Mexico and Central America. Biji kakao dulu pernah digunakan sebagai uang atau alat tukar oleh orang-orang Meksiko dan orang-orang Amerika Tengah. Let's continue to question and answer. Question number 1. Cacao is probably native to the following regions, except A. Canada, B. Suriname, C. Panama, D. Brazil, E. Colombia. To answer question number 1 correctly, let's go to paragraph 1. This is paragraph 1. Perhatikan bagian kalimat yang berwarna merah. It is native to Central and South America. Jelas bahwa kakao ini asli berasal dari Amerika Tengah dan Selatan. Untuk menjawab pertanyaan nomor 1, kita harus paham secara geografis negara mana saja yang masuk Amerika Tengah dan mana saja yang masuk Amerika Selatan. Let's go back to answer question number 1. Let's answer question number 1. Cacao is probably native to the following regions, except kecuali A. Canada. Canada is in North America, Amerika Utara. Suriname, Panama, Brazil, and Colombia, they are in South America. So, the correct answer for question number 1 is option A, Canada, because Canada is located in North America. Question number 2. The physical description of cacao is clarified in blah blah blah. A. The first 2 sentences of the first paragraph. B. The second sentence of the second paragraph. C. The last 2 sentences of the first paragraph. D. The last 2 sentences of the second paragraph. E. The first 2 sentences of the second paragraph. To answer question number 2, let's be back. Paragraph 1 again. This is paragraph 1. Perhatikan 2 kalimat terakhir paragraf 1 yang berwarna merah. Let's read. Cacao is a wide branch evergreen that grows up to 7.5 meters or 25 feet tall and bears seed pods up to 30 centimeters or 1 foot long and 10 centimeters or 4 inches thick with a hard leathery shell. Pods contain as many as 40 seeds or beans, some up to 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch wide. These 2 sentences are called the physical characteristics of cacao. 2 kalimat ini disebut ciri fisik kakao. So, it is easy to answer question number 2 now. Let's be back to question number 2. Question number 2. The physical description of cacao is clarified in blah blah blah. Of course, the correct answer is option C. The last two sentences of the first paragraph. Dua kalimat terakhir paragraf pertama. Question number 3. It can be inferred from the passage that A. Cacao beans are harvested by farmers with hoes. B. In Mexico, cacao beans were once functioned as produce. C. Cacao is originated in Northern America. D. Cacao trees can grow up to 75 feet in height. E. Tea cacao is probably planted in Indonesia. To answer this question correctly, let's be back to paragraph 2. This is paragraph 2. Perhatikan bagian kalimat yang berwarna merah. Tea cacao, the principal species used for cacao, is grown throughout the wet lowland tropics, especially in Southeast Asia, South America, and West Africa. Dari sini dapat kita simpulkan bahwa tea cacao ditanam atau dikembangbiakkan di kawasan Asia Tenggara. Negara mana saja yang termasuk Asia Tenggara? South America, negara mana saja yang termasuk Amerika Selatan? And West Africa, dan negara mana saja yang masuk Afrika Barat? Kita harus tahu untuk bisa menjawab pertanyaan nomor 3. Let's be back to answer question number 3. That tea cacao is grown in Southeast Asia. Question number 3. It can be inferred from the passage that tersirat di dalam bacaan bahwa, of course the correct answer is option E. Tea cacao is probably planted in Indonesia. Tea cacao kemungkinan besar ditanam di Indonesia karena Indonesia adalah bagian dari Asia Tenggara. Lalu pernyataan A, mengapa salah? Cacao beans are harvested by farmers with hoes. Biji kakao dipanen oleh para petani dengan menggunakan cangkul. Inilah yang salah, karena petani memanennya dengan menggunakan pisau. B. In Mexico, cacao beans were once functioned as produce. Di Meksiko, biji kakao dulu pernah digunakan sebagai uang atau alat tukar, bukan sebagai bahan makanan pokok. Yang C. Cacao is originated in Northern America. Kakao berasal dari Amerika Tengah dan Selatan, bukan Amerika Utara. D. Cacao trees can grow up to 75 feet in height. Pohon kakao bisa tumbuh sampai ketinggian 7,5 meter, bukan 75 kaki. Karena 75 kaki ini kira-kira sama dengan 22 sampai 23 meter. Question number 4. Which of the following statements is not true? A. Farmers can harvest it at least 4 decades after plantation. B. Central Americans use cacao beans as money in the past. C. Cacao is originated from Latin America. D. Cacao is cultivated for its seeds. E. Tea cacao is grown in tropical regions. To answer this question correctly, let's be back to paragraph 2. This is paragraph 2. Perhatikan kalimat yang berwarna merah. They usually bear fruit for years after they have been planted. Pohon kakao biasanya menghasilkan buah 4 tahun setelah pohon-pohon tersebut ditanam. Jadi, pohon kakao baru berbuah setelah usia 4 tahun. Let's be back to answer question number 4. Question number 4. Which of the following statements is not true? Mana pernyataan berikut ini yang tidak benar? Of course, the correct answer is option A. farmers can harvest it at least 4 decades after plantation. Para petani bisa memanennya paling tidak 4 dasawarsa setelah penanaman. 4 dasawarsa ini artinya 40 tahun. Padahal tadi disebutkan pohon kakao bisa berbuah setelah penanaman 4 tahun. Pernyataan B adalah pernyataan benar. Central American used cacao beans as money in the past. Tadi disebutkan people of Mexico and Central America. Pernyataan C juga pernyataan benar. Cacao is originated from Latin America. Latin America ini istilah lain dari South America atau Amerika Selatan. Cacao is cultivated for its seeds. Cacao dikembangbiakkan untuk diambil bijinya. Jelas sekali disebutkan. Tea cacao is grown in tropical regions. Tea cacao tumbuh di kawasan tropis. Tadi juga jelas sekali disebutkan. So, the correct answer for question number 4, which of the following statement is not true, is option A. Question number 5. Blah, blah, blah. They are dried to prevent molting. What does the underlined they refer to? A. Leaves. B. Beans. C. Species. D. Trees. E. Workers. To answer question number 5 correctly, let's be back to paragraph 2. This is paragraph 2 again. Perhatikan bagian kalimat yang berwarna merah. After extraction from the fruit, setelah diambil dari buahnya, the beans, ini subjek dari kalimat ini, are placed in piles, ditaruh secara bertumpuk, covered with banana leaves, dibungkus dengan daun pisang, and allowed to ferment, dan dibiarkan mengalami fermentasi. Afterward, they ini siapa? Pasti ya, beans. Setelah itu, biji-biji tersebut are dried to prevent molding. Dikeringkan agar terhindar dari jamur. So it is very clear here that they refers to the beans. Question number 5. Blah, blah, blah. They are dried to prevent molding. What does the underline they refer to? The correct answer must be option B. Beans. Well, everybody, that is the end of our discussion today. Perhatikan bahwa bacaan-bacaan yang kita pilih adalah bacaan-bacaan yang berkenaan dengan dunia biologi, supaya Anda semua terbiasa dengan kosakata atau kalimat yang berkaitan dengan bahasa ilmiah. Thanks very much for joining my class. See you.